Hey friends, I'm Annie. Let me ask you something. Do you really know where your money goes every month? If not, you're not alone. That's why I created the expense tracker. And guess what? It's free. But hold on, I'm not just here to give you a tracker. I'm here to show you how to completely take charge of your finances. Let's start with the basics. Open the README tab and make a copy of this Google Sheet. Super simple. I opened the 360 Mastery Sheet. Why? Because this isn't just about tracking expenses, it's about transforming your financial habits. See this? This is my secret weapon, the 360 Mastery Sheet. Look at this. Every power pack is right here. Personal finance, project management, marketing, and more. I've customized it to fit my life, and you can do the same. Just drag and drop the templates you need. All the personal finance templates are right here. ExcelVibes' goal is to keep things simple, accessible, and fully under your control. And the best part? This isn't some fancy software. It's Excel. Let's get started. Now, back to the expense tracker, the heart of it all. I've preset 5 categories: transportation, groceries, rent, monthly bills, and extras. You can adjust these to fit your life. You can view these in the Category Summary tab. Here's the cool part. These categories are also added to my monthly budget planner. And believe me, this template is essential for managing personal finances because it all syncs with the monthly budget planner, available for just $1.99. Trust me, if you're serious about managing your money, this one planner will pay for itself. First, set up your monthly budget. For example, I've planned $300 for transportation, and I'll set amounts for groceries, rent, and bills. Next, in the actual amount row, input real expenses. Want to automate it? Just use a simple formula. For transportation, type equals I7, since it's row 1, column 7. Do this for all categories. The sheet will automatically calculate the difference. If you overspend, the numbers will turn red. This tiny feature, it saved me hundreds of dollars last year. Now let's track real expenses. Just add 1, date 2, description like gas bill or Uber ride 3. Amount simple, right? But here's where things level up. The more you track and review, the better you get at cutting unnecessary expenses. Now imagine combining this tracker with the monthly planner, savings calculator, and goal tracker. That's what the Personal Finances Power Pack is all about. Complete control over every aspect of your life. And here's a tip. Monthly planner alongside this saving goal tracker, you get an automatic 10% off. Bundle and save. So what are you waiting for? Download the free expense tracker and start simplifying your finances. And if you're ready to go all in, check out the 360 Mastery Sheet. Your future self will thank you. ExcelVibe.